What up, Trimbag family? Big question we get asked every year is cleaning your trim bag. So a few different easy ways to clean the trim bag. For the body of the trim bag, what we like doing is wiping it out, vacuuming it out. Typically we use like an alcohol wipe it out, keep it clean. The biggest thing to keep clean every year is the zipper. So on the zipper, you'll find that if you don't keep it clean, it'll get stuck. And so when it gets stuck, the best thing to do is take hemp oil or take alcohol, put a little bit right at the tip right here, the zipper, and just put it inside there. Let it soak in, and then work it back and forth. You know, you just have to work it, don't jerk on it, just work it a little bit, and we'll get it going good. One thing we like doing is taking hemp oil and running it down the zipper. And it makes it super